All right, we're now going to convert from one base to the other. In part A, we go from 7 to 9. And because we are going from one base to the other, we need to use base 10 as a stepping stone, which means this will be a two-part problem. We need to first go from 7 to 10, and then take that result and go from 10 to 9. Let's start with the 7 to the 10. Remember, when you're going to base 10, you multiply the face value and the place value. The 2 is in the 16 to the 0 column, the 1 is in the 16 to the first column, and the 5 is in the 16 to the second column, which means 512 base 7 can be written as base 10 as 5 times 16 squared plus 1 times 16 to the first plus 2 times 16 to the 0. Putting that into your calculator carefully, you get 1,298. My ones are so bad today. 298. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take the 1,298 and convert that to base 9. When you're going from base 10, you need powers of the new base. 9 to the 0 is 1. 9 to the 1 is 9. 9 squared is 81. 9 cubed is 729. And we'd stop there. So we'll do 1298 divided by 729. This will occur one time. With a remainder of 569. If you want to see where I'm getting these remainders from, please watch the previous video of converting from base 10. So now we take 569 and we're going to divide it by 81. That occurs 7 times. With a remainder of 2. Well, that's nice. Careful with the next one. 2 divided by 9. How many times is 9 going to 2? No times. How much is left over? 2. Still. So remember, you want to treat this as long division. 2 would go inside the box, 9 would go outside the box. 0 would go up here. 0 times 9 is 0. Subtract what's left over, 2. So a lot of students put a 9 there, they put a 0 there. We don't want either of those. So please be careful with zeros. I'm going to erase this because I need that room later on. All right. 2 divided by 1, so take the remainder divided by the next power, is 2. Remainder 0. So your super final answer is right here. 1702. And don't forget the subscript 9. So that's the first one. All right, let's do the second one. Same process. We're going to go from base 2 to base 10. And then when we're done with that, we're going to go from base 10 to base 6. We have 110, 110. And here come the powers of 2. 2 to the 0, 2 to the first, 2 to the second. Oh, that got squishy. 2 to the third, 2 to the fourth, and 2 to the fifth. As stated previously, the ones that have the zeros you don't have to write. So we really just have 1 times 2 to the fifth plus 1 times 2 to the fourth plus 1 times 2 squared plus 1 times 2 to the first. Putting that carefully into your calculator, I got 54. Ooh, this is going to be interesting. So now let's do the powers of 6. 6 to the 0 is 1. 6 to the first is 6. 6 to the second is 36, and we stop there. So 54 divided by 36, this will occur one time with a remainder of, I'm pretty sure, 18. Let me just double check my work. I was right. 18. And now we do 18 divided by 6. That's going to be 3. Remainder 0. Remember, we're not done. We have to use all the powers. 0 divided by 1 is 0. Remainder 0. The answers are the quotients. In this case, 1, 3, 0. And then we say 1, 3, 0, base 6. And that's your final answer.